Okay, so now we're gonna change the battery in this Chamberlain remote control. Very simple. Take off this latch off the back, and there's little tabs. There's one here. We're just going to use this thing that comes with it, this clip, as a tool. One turn there, another turn on this one here. Well, make sure that one doesn't go back in while you're turning it. And then just prise it open, just gently. Might have to use this a little bit around the edge, just a little bit of a turn. Anyway, we're in. Battery is here. It's a CR2032 battery, and that's just a simple fingernail under, up it goes. Grab a new battery, pop it in, and close it back up. Clicks in there, like so. Garage door's probably opening right now. And then chuck on your clip back in. Ta-da!